अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बुक 2 न्यू ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश पेज 45 पर यूनिट 6 केयरफुल हैंड्स की रीडिंग और ट्रांसलेशन हमने कंप्लीट कर ली थी। अब हम करते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। Was Hans' mother right to call him foolish? Why? Hans' mother was right to call him foolish because he did everything wrong. Look at a map. Where is Germany? Find out some interesting facts about Germany. Germany is a country in Europe. It is located in the center of Europe. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The population of Germany was around 83 million in 2018. It has the largest economy in Europe. Its currency is called Euro. Soccer, volleyball, and basketball are the most popular sports in Germany. Its literacy rate is more than 99%. There are more than 25,000 castles in Germany. Next page पर questions करते हैं. Where did grandmother live? Grandmother lived not far away in a small cottage. Cottage, cottage. Where did Hans put the needle? Why was this foolish? He put the needle in the hay. Nobody can find a small needle in hay. That is why it was foolish. Where did Hans put the spoon? Why was this a bad idea? He put it inside his sleeve. It fell out when he was on his way to home. That is why it was a bad idea. Where did Hans put the puppy? Why was this wrong? He stuffed the puppy into his pocket. By doing so, he almost killed it. That is why it was wrong. What happened to the meat? It was eaten by the puppy. What happened to the butter? It melted in the sun. Question number 2. Match the following. Foolish, not very clever. Spoon, used when we eat something. Grandmother, the mother of your father or mother. Sleeve, part of a garment. Hay, dried grass. Needle, has one eye. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences using prepositions. Look after it carefully. It had fallen out on his way home. Hans put the spoon carefully inside his sleeve. He lived with his mother near a great forest. Hans walked behind the cart. Complete these sentences in your own words. In the afternoon, after tea, Hans played. Hans dragged the meat with a string. Hans stuffed his pocket with candies. Exercise C. Compound words. Sometimes in English, we join two nouns and make a new one. Can you make 4 new nouns from these words? Cup, board, door, bell. ये है स्ट्रैप, तो इसको इसके साथ मिलाएंगे वॉच स्ट्रैप. और ये बुक शेल्फ. यूज ईच न्यू वर्ड फ्रॉम अबव इन अ सेंटेंस ऑफ योर ओन. अब इसके आपने सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं जो न्यू वर्ड्स बनाए हैं, तो आप अपनी पसंद के सेंटेंसेस बनाएं. मैं आपकी कुछ हेल्प भी कर देती हूँ. कपबोर्ड का बना लें. आई लुक्ड इन दी कपबोर्ड, या फिर आई हैव अ फाइन कपबोर्ड, या पुट द थिंग्स बैक इन द कपबोर्ड. इसी तरह वॉच स्ट्रैप का बना लेते हैं. टाइटन द वॉच स्ट्रैप अराउंड द रिस्ट. ही लॉस्ट हिज वॉच स्ट्रैप. डोरबेल. The doorbell rang. He rang the doorbell. Our doorbell is out of order. Bookshelf. He took a book from the bookshelf. He fixed the bookshelf to the wall. Question number 3. Add a, an और the to the following. तो ये आपके वॉवल्स के साथ यूज़ होता है. एन कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ लगता है अ, और जो स्पेशल थिंग्स होती हैं उनके साथ लगता है द. तो ये स्टार्ट करते हैं. एन एप्पल, द सन, अ बैग, एन एक्स, अ डोंकी, द वर्ड, अ मैन, एन अनियन, a yellow box, an easy chair, a boiled egg. Question number 4. Put the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. Pocket his in put hand his. तो इसको आपने correct order में करना है. He put his hand in his pocket. Next करते हैं. You are a foolish boy. और सी पार्ट करते हैं. स्ट्रिंग हैव शुड यू टाइड इट टू. इसको करते हैं. यू शुड हैव टाइड इट टू अ स्ट्रिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. मेक सूटेबल क्वेश्चंस फॉर दीज आंसर्स. ये कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं, इनके आपने क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं. ऑल राइट, यू कैन टेक इट, कैन आई टेक इट, एंड में क्वेश्चन मार्क जरूर डालना है. इट इज़ द बटर मदर. व्हाट इज़ दिस क्वेश्चन मार्क. That's what you told me to do. Why did you do it? Question mark. Exercise D. ये आपकी oral activity है, लेकिन मैं आपको करवाती हूँ. Make oral sentences about the following by comparing the items. इनको आपने compare करना है. A tiger and elephant. A tiger is smaller than an elephant. Like this. A tiger is smaller than an elephant. A house, a hut. A house is bigger than a hut. A car, a bicycle. A car is bigger than a bicycle. An orange, an apple. An orange is more sour than an apple. A mouse, a cat. A mouse is smaller than a cat. A boy, a man. A boy is younger than a man. Water, juice. Water is thinner than juice. आप इसका इस तरह भी बना सकते हैं. Water is always a better choice than fruit juice. CHOICE choice के spelling होते हैं. Paper, card. Paper is lighter than card. और आप इस तरह भी बना सकते हैं. Paper is more flexible than cardboard. Flexible की spelling है FLEXIBLE. ये है composition. Use these words in an interesting story of your own. तो इन words को use करते हुए एक story बनानी है. आप अपनी पसंद की story बनाएं. मैं आपकी तो help कर देती हूँ. There was a little girl, Jane. She lived with her mother near a wood. One day she listened the sound of rain. She looked out of the window. The glass of window was dusty. She opened it and peeped outside. The rain came pouring down. Jane was very happy. She wanted to play in rainy water. She disliked sunny weather. She did not like to stay home in rainy day. She opened the door. Are you foolish? It is very cold outside, said her mother. But Jane took umbrella and said, I would love to enjoy the rain. The girl was clever. Kindly subscribe and like my channel. Press bell icon for new units. And don't forget to share as well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.